Step into their shoes and feel the heartbeat of understanding. Good day, everyone. We are from BN3A Group 1B, and today we will present to you our research entitled Factors Influencing the Level of Empathy Among the Nursing Students During Clinical Exposure by Ediso, Elio, Felomine, and Giocadin. The purpose of this study is to identify the nursing students' level of empathy, as well as the following factors influencing their empathy.
Now for the research design. The study utilized quantitative correlational design to identify the factors influencing the nursing students' empathy and explore the relationships, make predictions, generate hypotheses, study phenomena, and assess external validity without manipulating variables. Moreover, a paper-based survey method was used to provide numerical data that can be statistically analyzed to find relationships, trends, and correlations, which is the main goal of this study.
The researchers determined a sample size of 214 students using Rao-Soft calculator from a total population of 479 students. Simple random sampling was employed with 106 level 3 and 108 level 4 nursing students who answered the face-to-face survey questionnaire last February 2024.
For our instrument, it is an adopted standardized questionnaire. Part 1, Jefferson Scale of Empathy, Healthcare Provider Students version. And Part 2 is Factors Influencing the Empathy of Nursing Students. Now for a demographic profile of the participants. In our demographic data, females constitute the majority at 77.1%, and fourth-year students represent the largest group, making up 50.5% of participants. Most participants identify as Catholic, 78.5%, and the predominant reason given for choosing to study nursing is that it was their personal choice, which is 71.5%.
For the level of empathy during clinical exposure, as shown in Table 5. To start, individuals with a low level of empathy may find it challenging to recognize and respond to others' emotional needs, often prioritizing personal tasks or objectives over empathetic engagement. Conversely, those with a medium-low level of empathy may demonstrate empathy selectively, struggling to maintain consistent empathetic behavior across different situations while still prioritizing tasks over empathetic interactions with others. Now for the results. As a whole, the empathy level of nursing students is medium-low. This is implicated by online learning might impede their empathetic development, potentially stemming from limited clinical exposure and patient engagement. In terms of sex, females have low empathy compared to males. For the implication, females are more influenced by emotional stimuli in contrast to males, who may rely more on logical reasoning. Now for the year level, level 3 has a lower level of empathy compared to level 4. Level 4 has a more clinical experience that enhances empathy through direct engagement with the patients than level 3. In religion, non-Catholics have low empathy, which is implicated in comparison to Catholic students who may have institutional and cultural factors that may influence the empathetic development, potentially shaped by religious upbringing. On top of that, those with reason was their family shows a low level of empathy that is implicated by those with familial influence may have conflicting priorities with external pressures outweighing their empathy and connection with patients. Now for the factors influencing the level of empathy among nursing students, as shown in Table 6. As defined, moderate influence may shape empathy levels to some extent, but are not overwhelmingly impactful and are often met with undecided responses. Conversely, high influence factors are likely to shape empathy levels among nursing students and are typically met with agreement, exerting a strong and direct influence on their empathetic development. The result shows that patient and external factors had a high influence on the level of empathy of nursing students. Specifically, amongst the 9 sub-factors, engaging had the highest mean. For the patient factor, the attitudes and involvement of patients and their families significantly influences nursing students' experiences. Supportive families aid communication and understanding, while difficult or demanding ones can cause stress and emotional strain for nursing students. For the external factor, positive relationships with other healthcare workers can foster empathy through a supportive senior-junior relationship, while negative attitudes or strained interactions can detract from empathetic connections with patients. And for the engaging factor, students engaging in interactive and nurturing learning environment tends to cultivate greater empathy.
In investigating whether there is significant difference between the level of empathy of the nursing students, findings suggest that all profile variables have no significant difference on one's level of empathy. This implies that profile variables do not impact how empathy is fostered and assessed in clinical exposures.
For the objective number 5, tables 8, 9, and 10 present the relationship between internal, patient, and external factors influencing empathy levels as well as the profile variables. Results showed that there was no significant relationship between the factors influencing empathy and the profile variable. The lack of significant relationship between year level, sex, religion, and reason for choosing nursing with the student's level of empathy into internal, patient, and external factors highlights the complexity of empathy development. Empathy is a complex trait influenced by multiple combined factors other than demographic profile and personal motivations. Although the mentioned demographic profile may influence empathy into some extent, they do not serve as primary indicators of a student's ability to empathize effectively with patients. Therefore, the null hypothesis was not rejected at the 0.05 level of significance.
In conclusion, the majority of the nursing students are on level 4 with predominance of female and Catholic students, primarily motivated by personal choice for pursuing nursing. Overall, nursing students exhibit a medium-low level of empathy, with female level 3, non-Catholic and family-related reasons associated with lower empathy levels. Patient and external factors, particularly the engaging factors, have a high influence on students' empathy. However, there was no significant difference found in the level of empathy concerning profile variables. And lastly, there is no significant relationship between the internal, patient, and external factors and the profile variables.
Based on the study's findings and conclusions, the following are the recommendations that may benefit the following sectors. University administrators to develop empathetic leadership training programs and cultivate a culture of empathy within the institution. Clinical instructors to incorporate more patient exposure opportunities and enhance interactions with diverse patients and family attitudes. Nursing students to seek diverse clinical experiences and engage in self-reflection and peer support groups.
And for the patients and healthcare recipients, that they may actively participate in interactions with nursing students and provide feedback about their empathetic responses. And for the nursing researchers, that they may design initiatives addressing low empathy levels and explore innovative patient engagement and experiential training. And for the future researchers, that they may expand sample size for a more diverse range of participants and explore alternative sampling techniques for fair distribution across demographics.
For our references, please scan the QR code on your screen. Once again, thank you for listening and have a great day ahead.